is 22nd July, a very hot summer day. We are out in the morning. Not in the morning, this is 12 p.m. right now. And we are here for the tour of the CN Tower. I haven't done this before, so I brought my whole family with me. I purchased all our tickets online, which is more convenient, and the ticket price was $43 per person before tax.
Yeah.
We decided not to bring our car here today because parking is a big hassle in this area of the downtown, so better to use the public transport. It was a Saturday and the place was pretty crowded. And we just thought instead of coming this early, we should have just come at a later time, maybe like around 4 or 5 p.m. However, we were super excited to be getting in because the queue was moving very fast. They also do check your bags at the entrance downstairs, so make sure you don't bring anything which would cause you a problem. At this point, after waiting for so long in the queue, we are headed towards the elevator, but there might still be more queues and more waiting, but let's see. So here you see the longest queue again. On this floor they have so many things to read, to learn about the CN Tower, the history, how it was built, how many times it was updated, and all the histories that you need to know. They also have a pretty nice souvenir shop here where you can buy gifts or just a souvenir for yourself to keep as a memory. Finally, we got inside the elevator and it moves pretty fast. It only takes 50 seconds to get on the very top. And here we are, the most awaited moment of the day. The view of the whole city from up here. It feels amazing. have mini cafes on the very same floor for drinks and snacks. You can also sit, order, and they serve the food on your table. As we were waiting for the sunset, we got some chicken strips and a pop, and the price was about $22. We already knew the food wasn't good here, hence we decided not to dine in the 360 restaurant. The city view was amazing. I personally like the side of the lake. It's beautiful. You also get to see the Scotiabank Arena, all the tall buildings, the streets moving. It was a great experience. At the end of the tour, they have this beautiful place where you can look down below, and this has a glass floor. It's fun to walk around and to take a picture, and they also have this digital background to take a picture. After that, we were roaming around in the souvenir shop area. They actually have pretty nice collection here, and the price is also great. Nothing is overpriced, and every item I found really nice. I really like the small towers and water bottles, key rings, and the mugs. They also have a photo service, so what they do is they take a picture of every group while entering the tower on the top floor, and you have an option to purchase the photo at the end if you want. And the price for both digital and printed copy is $50, which is pretty expensive for just one copy of photo, but I feel like it's a great thing to have as a memory.
Wow, this is expensive memory, and also expensive $50 for 2 pictures. It's really a good memory. Yep.
We are done and we're out. Had a really nice time up there.
Boy, look up, look up, look up. Hey, you too, bro. Look over there. You're nervous, eh? No, he's not biting you. He's biting the harness.
This is it for today. See you on the next video.